That's a good one. That's a really good one. Oh, that's beefy. Oh my goodness. This is what we're here for. Oh lordy. This is what we're after right here, boys. This is a giant. I mean a freaking giant. Oh my God. Oh. This is an absolute giant. Pennsylvania just doesn't have them like this very much. Look at that thing. This is what we're talking about, baby. Look at this thing. That's what we're talking about right there. It just doesn't get no better than that. Pennsylvania giant largemouth. Mid-November, 44-degree water temperature, custom tied black and blue jig, Trica casting rod. It just doesn't get no better than that. That baby right there is a tank. Look at this thing. That is a giant. Love it.